At 8 months pregnant, you might be thinking that you're in the home stretch. You're definitely in the final stages of your pregnancy, and you're probably feeling like you can't wait to meet your baby. But there's still plenty of time for baby to grow and develop. So, what should you know about baby development at 8 months pregnant? What are some common symptoms and concerns at this stage of pregnancy? And what can you do to take care of yourself and your baby during these final weeks? That's what we'll talk about in today's episode. If you're new here, welcome. I'm a board-certified OB-GYN and mom to four. Let's get started. Let's start by talking about what's happening with your baby at 8 months pregnant. At this stage, your little one is getting longer and heavier as they prepare for life outside the womb. On average, babies born at full term weigh between 6 pounds, 8 ounces, and 8 pounds, 13 ounces. That's just over 3 kilos. Your baby is also measuring around 19 inches long, almost as tall as your hospital crib. Where will your baby be at 8 months pregnant? Your baby should be in a head-down position, getting ready for delivery. If they're not in the best position, don't worry. There's still plenty of time for them to turn. Just make sure to let your doctor know so they can check on your baby's position at your next appointment. How will your baby move at 8 months pregnant? Your baby's movements will continue to become more pronounced as the weeks go by. Kicks, jabs, and pokes will be even more noticeable because your baby doesn't have as much room to move around. Speaking of baby moves, how active is your baby at 8 months pregnant? Well, baby will be doing lots of flips and turns, but you won't be feeling them as much anymore. Instead, you'll feel sharp jabs and pokes from those tiny baby knees and elbows. You'll also feel lots of hiccups from sharp uterine contractions. The good news is that all these movements are completely normal and help keep your baby healthy. In fact, tracking your baby's movements is an important part of monitoring your baby's well-being during pregnancy. What will your baby be doing at 8 months pregnant? Well, your baby's brain will be working overtime as they prepare for life outside the womb. All those neurons are firing and forming connections that will help your baby learn and grow after birth. Your baby's organs are also busy getting ready for life outside the womb. The kidneys are producing urine and the lungs are preparing for their first breath. The digestive system is getting ready to digest milk, and the immune system is stocking up on antibodies from your own bloodstream. And don't forget about the senses. Your baby can hear your voice and other sounds, as well as feel the taste of your amniotic fluid. Now, let's talk about what kind of symptoms you might be experiencing at 8 months pregnant. From back pain to heartburn, there are plenty of uncomfortable symptoms that can make this stage of pregnancy feel like a bumpy ride. One of the most common symptoms of pregnancy in general is back pain. As your belly grows, your spine is constantly curving and shifting to accommodate your expanding uterus. This can cause backaches that feel like a dull, constant ache or sharp shooting pains. To relieve back pain, try gentle exercises like walking or prenatal yoga. You can also use heat or cold therapy or wear a pregnancy support belt. Another common symptom at 8 months pregnant is heartburn. As your baby gets bigger, it puts more pressure on your stomach, making it harder for food to digest. Heartburn can be really uncomfortable, but there are things you can do to find relief. First, try eating smaller meals more frequently. Avoid trigger foods and drinks and wear comfortable, loose-fitting clothes. If needed, you can also talk to your doctor about safe antacid options. Here are a few other symptoms you might experience at 8 months pregnant. Some of them are Braxton Hicks contractions, which are painless practice contractions that can help your body prepare for labor. Round ligament pain, which is a pulling sensation in your lower abdomen caused by your ligaments stretching to accommodate your growing baby. Swollen ankles and feet due to water retention and varicose veins, which are spider veins that can appear on your legs, or vulva due to hormonal changes. Speaking of hormones, your emotions might also be all over the place at 8 months pregnant. Pregnancy hormones are still surging through your body, which means mood swings, anxiety, and even bouts of baby blues are possible. It's also normal to feel excited, nervous, and even scared as you prepare for motherhood. Rest assured, these feelings are all normal and will pass. Just remember to take care of yourself and get plenty of rest. As we come to the end of your pregnancy journey, it's natural to feel both excited and nervous about what lies ahead. At 8 months pregnant, your body is working hard to prepare for labor and delivery. So, it's essential to take care of yourself and your baby during these final weeks. One of the best ways to do this is by staying active. Exercise can help you stay healthy and in shape, while also improving your mood and reducing stress. Try going for walks, practicing prenatal yoga, or doing other low-impact exercises that are safe during pregnancy. Another important tip is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for both you and your baby's health. It can also help prevent constipation and swelling. Make sure to carry a water bottle with you wherever you go and sip on it throughout the day. Finally, don't forget to listen to your body. Rest when you need to, and take it easy. As your due date approaches, it's important to pace yourself and avoid overexertion. In addition to taking care of your body, it's also essential to pay attention to your baby's movements. If you notice any decrease in activity, don't hesitate to contact your healthcare provider. Regular monitoring of your baby's movements can help ensure their well-being and detect any potential issues early on. As you navigate the final weeks of your pregnancy, remember that every moment is a step closer to meeting your baby. Embrace the journey and cherish the anticipation of what lies ahead. And if you're looking for more information on pregnancy or motherhood, don't forget to visit our website or follow us on social media. We'd love to have you join our community of moms and parents-to-be. The final stage of labor and delivery can be both challenging and rewarding. That's why it's essential to educate yourself on what to expect and prepare accordingly. One crucial aspect is understanding the different stages of labor and what happens during each stage. Knowing what to expect can help you stay calm and focused, making the birthing process smoother and less overwhelming. Our childbirth education classes are designed to provide expectant parents with the knowledge and skills they need to navigate labor and delivery with confidence. Led by experienced and certified instructors, these classes cover a wide range of topics, including breathing techniques, pain management options, newborn care, and more. Whether you're planning a natural birth or have questions about epidurals, our classes provide a safe and supportive environment to ask questions and learn evidence-based information. We understand that every parent has unique needs and preferences when it comes to childbirth. That's why our classes are designed to be informative and interactive, allowing for personalized learning and real-life simulations. We believe that childbirth is a transformative experience that should be approached with knowledge, preparedness, and confidence. Our goal is to empower expectant parents with the tools and resources they need to have a positive birth experience. So if you're expecting and want to learn more about what to expect during childbirth, we encourage you to register for one of our childbirth education classes. Don't wait. Invest in yourself and your baby's future, and register for our childbirth education class today. You can sign up directly through our website or contact our office for more information. Thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something useful. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. I look forward to seeing you next time.